Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Podia for digital products step by step clearly. Log in to your Podia account. From the Podia dashboard, navigate to the Products tab on the left sidebar. Click on that Add New Product button. Select the type of product you want to configure, such as a digital download or an online course. For digital downloads, choose Digital Download. Enter a name for your product in the designated field. Provide a brief description that highlights what your product offers. Upload your digital file by clicking the Upload File button. Once the file is uploaded, set a price for your product. Choose whether you want to enable a one-time purchase, subscription, or payment plan option. Scroll down to the Product Settings section. Here, you can adjust settings like product visibility and customer access. Next, scroll to the Email Settings section. Add any welcome or follow-up emails you wish to send to customers. After that, review the Sales Page section. Customize the sales page title, description, and add an engaging cover image. Make sure to enable the Sales Page toggle to make the product visible to potential buyers. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Publish button. Your digital product is now configured and ready for sales on Podia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.